Pinna Fidelis owns 200 hectares, which are divided out on a strip of land perpendicular to the river Duero, at the heart of Peñafiel. The grapes are harvested at the peak of maturation, towards the end of September or during the first 2 weeks of October. This is when everything is in perfect balance: the alcoholic potential of the grapes, their polyphenolic concentration, the color, tannins and aromas. The grapes are picked by hand in order to retain and protect the whole of the fruit. As a result, we select only the finest bunches. The Tinta del País variety is the speciality of Pinna Fidelis, an elegant and flavoursome fruit. The vineyards are 30 years old on average. In the oldest vineyards, we produce the crianzas, reservas, the vintage harvests, and specialities such as Roble Español. In the younger vineyards, we produce the young oaks. The harvested grapes are brought to the cellars, where they are put into barrels and left to soak and ferment over a number of days. Subsequently, the wine is drained, the partly fermented juice is extracted, and the remaining pulp is carried off to be pressed. A laboratory is housed within the winemaking warehouse. This is where all of the necessary analyses is carried out in order to ensure that the wines are of the highest possible standard. A number of factors are examined: the alcoholic percentage, color, polyphenols, tannins, as well as the wine's stability and yeast content. All of this serves to guarantee the quality of our wines and the satisfaction of our clients. The casks are placed in rows at the same height so that we can tend to each one individually, analysing their contents, refilling them, decanting, etc. This arrangement necessitates an enormous sanctuary in which the cellar's 1,500 casks may be housed. The results are evident. The wines have a maturation period comparable to that of some of the world's most renowned wine cellars. The casing and labelling of the wine is the final stage before it is dispatched. As soon as we have the labelled bottle, it is put into crates and stored in an air-conditioned warehouse before being sold. Even at the final stages, everything is well thought out and carefully planned to ensure that our product is of the highest possible quality, for your enjoyment and ours too. The beginning of the cold season, when the wind picks up, when the temperatures drop, when it seems as if everything has died, when the machinery is empty and free from juice, marks the time when we must start to describe the long process of bringing the very spirit of our lands to the table. Pinna Fidelis, the simplicity of elegance.